First, we travel to Egypt 4,565 years ago. The Great Pyramid of Giza has just been completed. It's the only ancient wonder still standing today. Now, Iraq, 2,587 years ago. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon are presented to us. They were made in a mystery location. In fact, no definitive archaeological evidence has even confirmed they existed. Now we move to Turkey, 2,575 years ago, and work is done on the Temple of Artemis. After Alexander the Great offered to rebuild it, Ephesians declined and paid for it themselves. Off to Greece, 2,460 years ago. All the back-breaking work building the statue of Zeus at Olympia is over. It was made of gold and ivory. And back to Turkey, 2,375 years ago, the Mausoleum at Halicarnassus is finished. It was 45 meters tall. That's about a 15-story building. And back again to Greece, 2,305 years ago, Greeks have completed the building of the Colossus of Rhodes. It didn't straddle the harbor. That's a myth. It likely stood beside the entrance. Oh, and an earthquake brought it down 54 years after we visited it, so it stood for the shortest time. And back to Egypt, 2,305 years ago, the Egyptians have accomplished another feat with the Lighthouse of Alexandria. It's over 100 meters tall. That's about 3.3 blue whales or 1.5 Boeing 747s.